This is the home screen of the, pretty much, I would say, the browser application. Very good browser application, actually. Very, very decent, very simple. Layouts are very simple, and as well, you do have the shorts feature here, which you can pretty much scroll and look at other things as well. You do may see ads while navigating through the browser application, so do keep that in mind as well. So as you can see here, you can scroll and pretty much keep up to date as it relates to news and so forth. So nothing much for that. You do have a file manager section where you can manage your files, pretty much manage your downloaded files, your images, your videos, pretty much everything on your device as well. And you can as well delete any files that you don't need or anything like that. So you also have the tab section here. As you can see, you have the tab section which you can delete. Tap on the X option here, and you have the home section here as well. So very, very simple browser application here. Nothing much, but the one thing I would say is that the ads feature is kind of a throw off as it relates to this application here. But overall, very decent application here. Nothing much for it, but yeah. See you in the next one, guys.